With a little organization and the right supplies, your shoes will arrive at your new home in excellent condition. Here's what you'll need. The first step is to get organized. Sort your shoes into 3 piles: keep, donate, and toss. Group shoes by style, such as dress, athletic, and seasonal. Do this for each person in your household. Clean sneakers and synthetic shoes with mild soap and water. Have leather shoes such as boots reconditioned. Drop off any shoes that need to be repaired in time for moving day. To prevent damage, pack shoes in small boxes. Stuff with socks or packing paper. Protect nicer shoes by wrapping each one with paper. Pack shoe boxes into larger moving boxes and label. Use plastic containers for seasonal shoes so they can be stored long term. Clear containers make it easier to see inside. Pack those plastic containers in larger moving boxes and label for storage. We hope these shoe packing tips will help make your next move quick and easy. Good luck with the move, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.